Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering the car to accessory or on so the wireless pad is energized. Place the phone face up on the pad and center it over the charging coil. Alignment matters for charging efficiency. Once done, remove any metal objects or credit cards and take off thick cases that block transfer. Make sure battery saver is off and wireless charging is enabled on the phone. If you see a charging icon, you've completed the first step and can move to optimizing placement. Now focus on precise alignment. Place the phone at the pad center and slide slightly forward or backward until the charging icon appears. You may feel a small vibration or see an LED change. The infotainment screen may also show wireless charging status. Check that for confirmation. If charging is intermittent, lift and reseat the phone, removing any remaining objects. Once the icon stays solid, the system is working. Keep calls minimal and avoid simultaneous hydra apps to maintain steady charge. To finish, remove the phone once charged or before shifting out of park and store it securely. If charging fails, first reboot the phone and try again, then test with a different Kai phone to isolate the issue. Next, check the vehicle's fuses and wiring for the wireless module if you are comfortable. Consult the owner's manual for fuse location. If the pad's LED remains off or charging still fails after these steps, contact your dealer. There may be a hardware fault covered by warranty.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.